Being a software engineer in the hardware group at Google is very interesting because the tools I have to solve problems are no longer constrained to just software. When I realized that, it blew my mind because then I realized I can actually go to mechanical engineers or electrical engineers and say, could you make this tweak so that our software can do so much more? My name is Vincent Mo, and I'm a software engineering manager on the hardware team at Google. So I work on the smart home and communications part of Google Home. When you tell Google Home to turn on the light, that goes through my team stuff. When you ask Google Home to make a phone call to your mom, that's also my team. I joined Google as a software engineer 10 years ago. I've benefited a lot from how easy it is to move across Google. I can kind of just look across the whole company and just say, what looks interesting? I like working on new things, and the combination of hardware and software and machine learning in one product, it gets me excited. The change in mindset that I had to go through when I came to the hardware team was there are no assumptions that can't be broken. Just imagine the technology behind all these products that you know of from Google, and imagine that you could just go to the desk of the person that built that thing. I could go to the Android hardware team and say, you guys have done a really great job building a product that does high quality voice calls. How can we do that for Google Home? Right? Anywhere across Google. And the part that makes it really fun is I'm working with these people to design something together. So one of my favorite experiences working on Google Home was working with the assistant team and just saying, how would we design this system? And then we said, okay, how should we build it? Right, so the organizational part, who takes responsibility for what came after the engineering part. So we really act as one team. That's one of the things I love about the culture of Google. Google is really good at creating magical things that are just like, how did you do that? We're used to moving very fast, right? We want to keep improving things. And so the way we approach hardware is the same way. We take our unconventional way of doing software and apply it to hardware. And it's really fun to be a part of defining that.